Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to set up Venmo. So first of all, go ahead to your App Store, Google Play, and what you're going to do, you're going to just download the app because it's going to be much easier if you did it through via app or something like that, right? So after you downloaded the app, go back to your screen, go ahead to your browser, and after you download one of their mobile apps, iOS or Android, Venmo does not have a Windows app. Open the Venmo app, choose your sign up method, and then create a secure password between 8 and 20 characters long, and you should contain at least one number or symbol like exclamation point, maybe the at icon or hashtag cash or even a percentage, and then verify your phone number and email address, and now you're going to be able to browse the Venmo without any trouble. All right, so after completing the steps above, you should be all set to start receiving payments. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.